Hi, my name is Marisa and I received this morning the new mini retro palette from Natasha Denona and I've been playing with it. So in this video I would like to share with you swatches from the eyeshadows, some comparisons between the shades in it and the shades in the Metropolis and mini gold palettes. I would like to show you the demo for this look, and finally I want to tell you my opinion about this palette. So if you are interested in this content, just keep on watching. If you already saw my videos before, you are probably aware that I'm a big fan of Natasha Denona products, and namely her palettes. But if you are new to my channel, welcome. And in case you don't know Natasha Denona and her palettes, let me just say some short detail regarding this particular palette. So this is called the mini palette. It has 5 shadows with 0.8 grams or 0.028 ounces. It's produced in Italy. It's cruelty-free and it has a suggested shelf life of 24 months after open. I really love this size of eyeshadow palettes and I have quite a few of them. They are great for traveling, and although this is the smallest size of eyeshadow pen that Natasha has on her collection, it's still quite enough and can provide us a great number of looks. It's really a great format. So let's just get down to the swatches. Galaxia is a chroma crystal, Industrial is a metallic, 60s is a creamy matte, Vintage Taupe is a creamy matte, and Pixie is a metallic. As you are going to see on the demo of this look, these eyeshadows are extremely impactful, pigmented. They are buttery soft, very creamy, and they almost blend by themselves. I'm not a makeup artist, but I find them very easy to work with. One thing I have to say though, you will achieve only soft looks with this mini palette. And this is as much dark as you are going to achieve, because I really went heavy on the placement of this matte green eyeshadow to see how dark would it become. And this is it. It doesn't go darker than this. So all the looks that you will achieve with this palette will be very soft. Actually, I'm going to do a couple more and I will place them on my Instagram stories if you are interested in taking a look. These two metallics are lovely, extremely impactful as I said, and this chroma crystal is really amazing. It's one of the most sparkling eyeshadows I have ever come across. It's really beautiful. I'm going to make some comparison swatches between the green eyeshadows and the ones that are on the mini gold palette and on the Metropolis palette for you to see. And now I'm going to tell you how I achieved this look. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to start to put the green on my crease. this shade on my skin looks like a very grayish green. Spring has come and my sinusitis, and please forgive me if I'm not saying this correctly, has also increased. My under eye area is very blue. I'm going to place a little bit of this green here on my bottom eyelashes, but I think this will not be the most flattering with my under eyes, as dark as they are. I'm going to place concealer, of course, and corrector, but some of the bluish, some of the darkness will still come through. Now I'm going to use Natasha Denona's technique, and I'm going to blend the green with this lighter shade, although the green is practically blended by itself. I didn't went very dark with it. The paler shade just gave it a little bit of rosiness. I'm going to intensify it a little bit more. I'm trying to follow Natasha Denona's advice of opening the eye and see if we can still see the shade, and I can, so we're okay. A little bit on the corner, and this is already, the bottom lash is already connected to the top with the green. I'm just accentuating a little bit. Now I'm going to use my fingers and I'm going to place the green, the metallic green here. So pretty. And the lighter shade, this metallic pink, on the inside. Not sure you can see, but it's, these eyeshadows are super sparkly. Look at it. A little bit more of the green here to make sure it's blended perfectly. And I'm going to place a little bit more of the matte green on the border, also to blend it with the metallic. I'm going to use a small pencil brush and I'm going to place this light reflective champagne pink here. Extremely sparky. I'm going to use the Surat eyeliner. Now, on the 60s, they had big eyeliners, but that's a very big ordeal for me, so I'm going to make a small one close to the eyelashes. This. Okay, so I'm going to clean my under eye area, place concealer, corrector, mascara. I will do the makeup on the other eye and I'll be right back. So this is the final look. As you can see, the eyeliner ended up by being all around the eyes. I got carried away. From Natasha Denona, from the Bloom palette, I have the Duo Glow on the cheeks, and on my lips I have the combo of Pink Venus from Charlotte Tilbury, Beach Perfect which is about the lightest nude that I can use. And I have a little bit of the lip gloss from Viseart in Petal. So what is my final opinion regarding the Mini Retro? I think it's gorgeous. It has the performance, the quality expected from Natasha Denona's eyeshadows, if you already know them. If you don't know them, this is a great place to start. It has less product, therefore the investment would be less, but the quality is here. The only question is if you like the color story or not. If you do, I couldn't recommend it more. And that's it on this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. You just need to click on the subscribe button and on the ring bell one in order to be notified whenever I place a new video. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye!